Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about soap making and handmade products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at the Scraftworks for more sneak peeks and ongoing projects. We are back at the soap challenges and I'm definitely excited for this month's challenge. This month's challenge is One Pot Wonder. It looks quite simple, but it was definitely not as easy as I've planned. So here I am mixing my lye solution with my melted oils. I've chosen to enter into the advanced category, where we will need to use all natural ingredients, and that's what I usually use anyway, but this was definitely a test to expand my usual color palettes. After mixing the soap into an emulsion, I added my essential oil blend of rosemary, orange, and patchouli. Then I split the soap batter into 5 equal portions. I then coloured each of them using red clay, turmeric powder, spirulina and cocoa powder. I intensified one of the portion into an orange by adding more turmeric powder. After waiting for the soap consistency to thicken up, it's time for the One Pot Wonder. All you do is to pour all the soap portions into one pot. Please make sure your pot will fit all your soap before doing that. Put the soap in order of the color you want them appear into the soap. Pour it into the pitcher in a backward order, so the colors of the soap will come from the bottom to the top. The first color you pour will appear on the bottom of the soap. After pouring all the soap into the pitcher, pour the soap on the long side of the loaf mold, and that's it! Decorate the top of the soap using the leftover soap. Cover and keep it insulated so that it will go through gel phase for brighter colors. I was impatient with unmolding the soap and cutting it, causing it to have a wonky shape, but a cleanup afterwards would be good. This soap challenge definitely taught me that I should be careful when using turmeric powder since it bled quite a bit. Having a thicker trace would definitely create better feathering effects. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.